Welcome to Storytelling DIY. Today you will discover how you can create your own magic forest and fill it with the story happening within it. All you need to get started are a few white cards. You can fold thicker A4 paper sheets into half, or you cut out different sizes of drawing paper and fold in half so it can stand up. And you will also need color pencils or watercolors. Even plain pencils will do. Take what you have at home. Felt pens and crayons also work, or magazine cutouts. Now the fun part starts. Ask your family, your friends, your visitors to draw you a tree on these cards. If you have the space, you can create a drawing area with all the materials laid out. Put away the finished trees to not influence the other artists. Any tree, in any way they want to do, is welcome. There will be no comparison later or a winner. All you want is a collection of at least 5 trees. The more, the better. It took me a while to collect my forest, and I enjoyed watching the enthusiastic creators having fun. Not everybody may want to do this, and that is okay too. Once you have a collection, begin with the second part of the magic forest story. Gather a number of small objects from around the house, small toys, accessories, souvenirs from your travels, utensils, anything that is smaller than your trees. Put them in a box or on a tray. Then put up your magic forest. Magical because anything can happen in it. Place the trees slightly apart so that objects can be placed between them. Here the storytelling starts. Pick a few objects from your collection in your box that you want to put into the forest. Place each object somewhere between the trees and tell the audience why they go there. You can connect them somehow, or you can put them there by themselves. A story will develop. Here's my story. It is early morning in the magic forest. The fox Blackie hurries across the clearing. He is looking for his cousin Red, who just got up and is stretching. It is very quiet in the magic forest. Even the birds are still asleep. Suddenly, the quiet is shattered by a loud motor noise as a tractor is approaching through the trees. Out of the tractor steps not a forester, but Mr. Shufflebottom, CEO of Speedmax, a company specialized in getting employees working faster. "Oh man, I need a break," Mr. Shufflebottom sighs and lies back in a beach chair. Soon the magic forest resonates with his snoring. That sound lets 2 friends pause, because they have never heard the sound. "Hold it," Jack Sparrow says to Mapunta. "What's going on here?" "Don't worry," Mapunta replies. "Let's just keep away from the sound." They are in the magic forest because they want to find the treasure that is hidden within the trees. Here it is. It is actually very difficult to find. As Jack Sparrow and Mapunta come around the tree, they get the shock of a lifetime. Right in front of them is Mrs. Nutter, sweeping the forest floor. Incredible! The amount of rubbish that is left here every day. You too over there, you better not drop anything or else. Meanwhile, at another tree in the magic forest, Uber driver Snail is driving his passenger to a cherry tree. Unnoticed by anyone, Indiana Bones is entering from the very end of the forest. I wonder what he is up to. Maybe he wants to help Penguin Bella and her daughter Kiki to find their way back to Antarctica. I know how they got here, but that is another story. At noon, Sam the stag calls everybody to gather in the clearing for an important meeting. Even Harry the hare hears him and comes hopping. And what that meeting is about, you have to tell me, dear audience. Let others also pick up objects from the collection and place them in the forest, telling why they go there. Find connection between the items in the forest. Questions like the following help to keep the story going. You can do this magic forest story once, or you can leave the forest stand and have something new happening in it on another day. Take a photo of the scene so you can recollect the story later, put a printout of the scene in a booklet and start your own family storybook. And always give the magic forest story a title. Another interesting angle is that the magic forest is mobile. Take the cards with you when you visit someone and create a story with objects from another home. The magic forest can also continuously grow. More individuals contribute their trees, you find postcards with trees, or you take photos of trees. You can make it a magic forest in continuous progress. Start small and grow from there. Enjoy the ever-increasing imagination that this technique activates. See you in my next storytelling DIY video.